Ring 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 banana phone. After last year's 3310, Nokia has just released the next Back to the Future feature phone, the 8110, also known as the Matrix phone, although Neo probably wouldn't have appreciated this yellow version. Let's have a look in this video how the newest Finnish polycarbonate fruit fares. Same as with the 3310, you won't find Android or even Symbian on the Nokia 8110. Instead, the device is running on KaiOS, a feature phone risen from the ashes of Firefox OS. KaiOS does have limited access to apps, but don't expect to find all of your favorite Android apps in its store. The 8110 will have Facebook, Google Maps and even Google's Assistant, and probably also Snapchat or even WhatsApp in the near future, which would make it the perfect party phone for those of you loathing a scratch on your new iPhone 10. As opposed to the 3310, the 8110 supports 4G and will allow you to create a mobile hotspot. Not only the classical exterior, but also the enormous battery life sparks a journey to the past in our heads. Nokia promises a standby time of up to 25 days. On the other hand, there's no touchscreen. In order to navigate through the menus, you'll need to slide the keyboard cover open and tap the physical keypad. Under the hood, there's Qualcomm's 205 platform, while the two ARM Cortex-A7 cores and 512 MB of RAM are definitely nothing to go crazy about. The phone feels responsive and smooth to operate. The apps available for the phone, like Snake, which is pre-installed, don't pose a challenge to the hardware either. Speaking of Snake, the Gameloft loading screen still makes me sad. Where's the original? There's 4 GB of internal memory, enough for some music or photos. Just don't expect too much from the 2-megapixel shooter on the back of the banana. Sorry selfie fans, there's no front camera. What's there to say in the end? With a cheap price, 4G capability and hopefully a bigger selection of apps soon. WhatsApp, please! And last but not least, the retro factor. The Nokia 8110 will definitely be another chapter in HMD Global's success story. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Nokia 8110, and if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, activate the little bell icon to get a notification every single time we upload a new video, and check by AndroidPIT.com for every news about the MWC. Thank you for watching and see you next time.